Hello guys, Chef Ippy here. Today we're going to be doing one of my absolute favorite dishes, Yakitori chicken or teriyaki chicken, whatever you want to call it. Sorry I haven't been able to shave. For those of you following me on social media or anything, you know that we just had a baby a couple of days ago. We brought a little beautiful baby girl named Poppy into our house and we couldn't be any happier. My wife and I are so stoked, so excited, and like I told you guys, we're going to be sharing this all with you guys. But before any of that, today, let's make some teriyaki chicken. Alright. This is absolutely one of my favorite dishes. Aloha guys, Chef Ippy here. Mahalo for joining me again with this Teriyaki Chicken 101. This is going to be a really simple dish, you guys. If you follow the directions, you guys will be able to nail it. So we're going to start with equal parts of soy sauce, white sugar, and water. Here I'm going to be using 2 cups of each. We're going to do some citrus. I'm using tangerines because it's what I had in my fridge, but use whatever you want. About 8 pieces of garlic and a finger length of peeled ginger. When you go to cut your garlic, a cool little tip that I like to give is instead of using the sharp part of your knife, try flipping it over. Now be very careful, please do not cut yourself, and use that dull part to actually smash the garlic. You're not gonna have to go over it so many times and cut mince. You'll actually be able to just smash it and have your minced garlic within 1 or 2 passes. Give it a try, be safe. And now we're gonna cut our ginger. We're gonna cut across, and then into little minces. Now we're doing this so we can break up the fiber as much as we can. That's why we're mincing it up and we're cutting it against as many fibers as we can, so we can get a nice fine cut, but also so it's not gonna be sticking in people's teeth. You do not want that when they're eating their teriyaki chicken. Now that everything's ready, we add everything to our pot. 2 cups sugar, 2 cups water, 2 cups shoyu or soy sauce, our 8 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, and my 2 tangerines that we're going to squeeze in here, or your oranges. Just try not to use lemons or limes because that's a little too acidic. Bring your sauce up to a real quick boil just to melt the sugar. Let it come back down to room temperature. And then this part's really important. We're going to take about 2 cups of our sauce out. So I'm measuring here 2 cups of our teriyaki sauce. We're going to put it into a separate saucepan to actually make a glaze for our teriyaki sauce. To do that, it's really simple. We're going to make what we call a slurry. It's going to be 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it up with your finger because it does get clumpy, so you want to make sure it's smooth. Bring that sauce to a boil, add your slurry, stir, and within seconds it'll thicken up. So when you're going to be using thighs this thick, I always like to throw it in the oven first at 400 degrees to kind of par cook it and to keep the juices, to keep it from charring too much. Then you're gonna just cook it, finish it off here on the grill, guys. And if you know, if your chickens are skinny, you don't want to have to roast it. You don't have to. You can just cook it all the way through if you want to. But I find this gives it an even, really moist, juicy cooking. And it's as easy as that, guys. You're gonna take your chicken. Now we're gonna slice it up and start plating it. Cut right down the middle. You can see how juicy that is. We're gonna go ahead and put it on our platter and plate it up with our glaze, a little bit of green onions, and a little bit of sesame seeds. Mahalo guys for watching this video. This is Teriyaki Chicken 101. Chef Ippy signing out. Aloha.